Alright, says Rahul Gandhi quietly beginning a revamp of the Congress in Jaipur. Can Rahul's Congress deliver victory in 2014, and will Rahul forge a new direction for the UPA government? We have with us to begin with Dr. Sambit Patra, spokesperson of the Delhi BJP, Kamal Farooqi, National Secretary of the Samajwadi Party, Professor Madhav Nalapat, Managing Editor of the Sunday Guardian, and Shireen Bansal. He's going to be our citizen's voice on the show. Remember, here on the NewsX debate, we like politicians and experts in the show, but we also want the concerned, common citizen's voice. Shireen is a student of economics. We'll hopefully be joined by a representative of the Congress as well in the next couple of minutes. Let's begin with Dr. Patra from the BJP. The Congress's Chintan Shivar begins tomorrow in Jaipur. Rahul is showcasing 160 Youth Congress and NSUI people over there. That will form the major part of the 350 delegates over there. Is Rahul quietly revamping the Congress?
See, with leader like Rahul Gandhi around, the Congress really needs brainstorming. See, he's a born leader, not in the sense...
You're being mean right from the start of the block.
See, I'll be meaner now. Wait.
Yeah.
See, the issue is, Rahul is a born leader. Not that he got transfused with many talents congenitally. What I mean by born leader is he was born into the first family. That's why he's a leader. PR agencies and photo frame photo-ups, the photo-ups don't make up leaders. You call him a youth brigade leader? Where was this young man when the country was burning?
But hold on, I want to ask you. We're talking about the Chintan Baitak right now, the Congress strategizing session beginning in Jaipur tomorrow. In the previous such Baitaks, 2003, 2008, the Congress was only able to showcase no more than 5 young leaders. This time, Rahul is bringing 160 of them. Give him credit for that.
No, well, all credit's given to him. The issue is, when the country really wanted to give him credit, why did he discredit the people of India? Post December 16, where was this young man? He was nowhere in the roads when the country was burning. When the India-Pakistan impasse is going on right now, why don't we hear the crowned prince's voice? What does the person of the country expect?
Alright. Okay, Kamal Farooqi from the Samajwadi Party. Your party effected a generational change last year, making Akhilesh the Chief Minister of UP. How much you believe that Rahul will be able to force a generation change within the Congress?
I hope that he will come up with some brilliant ideas. Because he...
what made you conclude such a scene where he is really contributing towards economy, where I firmly believe that he does not even have the talents to contribute to general issues like the issue which we saw December 16 had the country burning, and we did not have a single word from this crown prince of the country. Presently also India and Pakistan having their own difficulties, but the crown prince has nothing to say about all this. How does Congress explain this? The youth really wanted to hear him.
Alright, you're asking how's the Congress going to explain this? Well, we have with us Congress leader Rajiv Bakshi, who joins us. Rajiv, even on the media, when Rahul doesn't open his mouth...
Rajiv, you have forgotten, you should give some credit to media to the fact that all the photo-ops of Rahul Gandhi are presented in media itself. Wherever he travels through a bike ride and all that, all of it comes up in the media, and we believe PR-ship and photo-ops are not going to produce a leader. He really has to come down to the streets if he wants to be recognized as a leader.
Listen, what you have to understand is that he has himself...
Which is Rahul as the youth leader of the country, the Yuva Neta, right? All your speeches say that. It's not just during the Delhi gang.
Let me just remind Rahul.
Hold on, I'll just take 10 seconds. Rajiv, give me 10 seconds.
Responsibility of the vendor.
See, my question to you, Rajiv, is you would agree to me, this fact is very true that he's number 2 in the party. If this is the way the number 2 in the party responds to the crisis in the country, then God help the party. I really want this answer.
Hold on, we also have the citizen's voice on the show, Shireen Bansal, who wants to come in.
He has got the potential, he has got the background, he has got the family, he has got the people around him. Why he is not working?
Mr. Farooqi, I believe you would agree with me that it is a misplaced nomenclature. Youth icon and Rahul Gandhi do not work together, because youth icons are not people who are born with silver spoon in their mouth and yet they do nothing. So please correct ourselves, let us correct ourselves. We should not call Rahul Gandhi anyway as a youth icon.
Alright, let's move to Professor Nalapat now. Professor, Rahul is going to be leading the Congress campaign in 2014. Do you believe that All right,
and comes out only very rarely. So I think we have to give him that kind of freedom.
I believe you want to say that Rahul Gandhi has a bureaucratic way of functioning, and yet he is the topmost politician of the country. I believe politician who does not utter words on important issues of the nation, and yet he functions underground way, is a bureaucrat functioning and not a political way of functioning. Is it not?
Well, Sambit, a lot of bureaucrats have become politicians, and a lot of
Sanjay Jha explicitly gone on record to say that the challenge for India is to try and narrow the gap.
By the way, Sanjay, let me congratulate you on the sense of confidence that you are exuding on Rahul Gandhi.
And the second
really congratulations to you, and I have opened my statement by saying that
what Rahul Gandhi is trying to
Congress
change,
really needs
what Rahul
brainstorming.
Gandhi is trying to change is the critical
Hold on,
land
Sanjay.
acquisition. I think the base Gandhi is trying to do
given you a
is
great
trying
deal
to
of
look
space.
at
Now please allow me.
level
You
of
have taken
India
enough of BJP.
and bring
Sanjay,
about a
listen to
clear
me.
revolution.
What did
He's
you
the
mean to
first
say that
political
people who
leader
have
in
no
India
time,
who has
people who
challenged
have
the
no
very
issues come up
concept
and
of
speak and give
dynasty
speeches?
that he
You meant to
belongs
say to the
from.
youth,
He's
people
the
out
first
on the
person
road
in any
against the
politician
December
of
16
India
incidents
who's
are
actually
people
gone and
who should
said
not have
that
belonged
you
to
need
the crowd.
elections to bring grassroots workers into mainstream politics. He's the first man who's made the Congress and the NSU.
Now who is
Rahul
nervous?
Gandhi does not believe in
Now
that.
who is
Please
nervous?
respect his
See,
individuality.
Sanjay, it is you
Please
who is
respect the
nervous.
fact
We
that
are not
Mr.
nervous.
Rahul
Please correct
Gandhi
yourself.
is distinctive and different from the typical politician.
We don't
that
want
a
another
lot of
Sanjay,
he's
Sanjay,
meeting the common beings,
please,
people
now
of
give me
India.
some space.
He's
We have enough
addressing
of your
issues that
answers.
matter.
Sanjay, the leader does not attend parliament,
need
the
to
leader does
accept
not
that we
give any
need
kind
to
of
look at
speeches on
people.
public issues,
I think
the leader does
Mr.
not come
Rahul
to the
Gandhi
street.
is
What
not
kind of
prone-
leader is he?
He's not prone
What kind
to
of leader is he?
appearing
At least
cosmetic
Sushma ji
and synthetic on critical
understood. She
national
echoed
issues.
what the country's
I
people
think
wanted. But where
Mr.
was
Rahul
Rahul Gandhi all the while?
No, hold on.
I want to know.
On
Hold
behalf
on,
of the marginal,
hold on, Dr. Patel.
on behalf of the dispossessed.
Sanjay.
I think the biggest change that is making is to
Vijay,
fight for
Kamal
the common man
Farooqi
of
wants to
India.
come in now. Kamal, yeah, Mr. Farooqi.
She's playing. Is that the kind of statesmanship she's giving? I don't think that we should.
Can I just come in over here, gentlemen? Can I come in over here? Can I just come in over here, gentlemen? Please allow me. Please let me explain. I am very thankful that at least one leader in this country, Sushma Swaraj ji, spoke in such tenor and in such words. We did not have a single prime minister, a single minister who could echo the sentiments. Single person. Please, Mr. Farooqi, give me a second. Mr. Farooqi, give me a second. We did not have any leader from any party who could echo the sentiments of the people of this country. None of the leaders came out to say that we really have to fight back on Pakistan. At least Sushma ji to understand the pain of the people who lost lives.
I'll tell you what, gentlemen, let's stick to the topic of the debate and let's not digress. I want to stick to... Hold on.
Allegation of having irresponsible and having allowed the death of 2,000 people in Gujarat. Please stop being so absolutely narrow and parochial, my dear young friend. Look at a larger concept of India.
All right, okay. We're out of time. We're out of time.
Think India.
Sanjay, hold on. Sanjay, we're out of time. 10 seconds only. Rajiv Bakshi, can Rahul deliver 2014 for the Congress?
Listen, it is
2014 time. Thank you very much to all our guests for joining us. Thank you for watching. Good night.